This video you're watching right now was found by the setup I'm about to show you. I connected vidIQ to Claude, gave it a credit budget, and it came back with this exact topic, almost 300,000 searches a month and little to no competition. Let me show you how. For this setup, you will need two things. Your vidIQ account, you sign into that one, and also your Claude account, okay? So once you have that, we will do the next thing. In vidIQ app, you will click on your profile. You will go and see MCP, right? Once we are on MCP tab, it gets really easy now. If you're connecting it to Claude, you will just click on this, vidIQ for Claude, and voila. Basically, that's all. That's it. Don't worry about this red. It just means that it is not a connector inside Claude. It is a custom MCP. So as you can see, the name will be vidIQ. We have the link there, and we will go on add. Once there, you're connected. Everything is there. Since you were already logged in into your vidIQ account, you don't have to sign in again, and you're connected. Let's check it out. Use vidIQ and give me keyword research for Hermes agent. Okay, let's press enter and see, will it use vidIQ? As you can see, it found tools. It will use vidIQ keyword research. And here we go. We have monthly searches, competition. You can see we have the complete analysis here. And if you're wondering how much does it cost, because you get free credits also with vidIQ, it is 5 credits per keyword research. Also, if you do your competitor research or video outliers, it will be around 5 credits. So basically that's it. I think they made this process pretty simple. Before, you had to copy this link and custom add everything, which you still can do. If you want to add manually, you just go to customize, connectors, add a custom connector. And you can copy that link and name it. But I think this is a really easy way. And as you can see, it's really simple. And that's the whole setup. One connection, one click, and Claude does the research for you. And remember, this video exists because Claude found the topic with this exact setup. It told me like, okay, this is the search volume, this is the competition. You should definitely record video about this. So I'm curious about you. If you connect vidIQ to Claude, what is the first thing that you will research? Your niche, a competitor, or a video idea? Write it down in the comments. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe. Research and testing tools is the part that I love, so there is always something new here. And I'll see you in the next one.